Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a video that's a little bit different than my typical videos. So this is going to be like when I need to have a super productive Monday, like I need to get everything done because I had a crazy weekend and got nothing done. Like I need to write everything down so I don't miss anything, so I feel like hallelujah, I had a productive Monday. Typically, I will use just like a normal planner, day-to-day planning out my days when I just have a couple of things that I need to get done, or like within this week, this stuff needs to get done. I love this planner. I recently picked it up from Target. It's really, really good. But if I need like to have like a really get-ish done kind of day, and I write everything out in bullet points and then I kind of go through and cross it off. These pens are phenomenal. I've mentioned these before on my channel. I fell in love with these in Japan. They're erasable pens, but not your typical average erasable pens. Like these are actually good. Like they actually like erase, so they're amazing. But I love making an actual physical to-do list, not on my phone, not in my journal, like one that I'm like, this is it, and I cross everything off and I get things done. So this really helps me like be ultra productive. So if you're having a day where you just need to get everything done, I don't recommend doing this every day because I just feel like you shouldn't judge like how much you get on your to-do list done as like if today was productive or not. But if you are struggling with like getting everything done on your to-do list and you need to get a lot of stuff done, I recommend just going straight up pen and paper. You cannot go wrong with this method. I feel like it's ultra satisfying to cross things off your list. So I wanted to take you along my day on how I get everything done. Let's get into my productive Monday morning routine. Good morning, you guys. So the first step in my productive day today that we need to have is going to be skincare before I go to the gym. I always put on skincare before I go to the gym. You don't have to do your full-on routine like you're putting on makeup, but you need something to protect your skin. First things first, I did use like retinol and a bunch of oils last night, so I'm gonna go in with this cleanser. This is the TULA, the Cult Classic cleanser, and I'm so happy to be working with TULA on this video today to share with you guys some of my favorite products from them. I've used TULA in the past because you know I'm a huge skincare junkie, and this stuff is good stuff. I love the cleanser. It has lactic acid in it, which is why I think I love it the most, because it kind of like gently exfoliates, but it doesn't feel like an exfoliating cleanser at all. You just like look like amazing after. Let me just show you. How about I just show you? So I'm gonna wash my face to start with. At least my skin just feeling really balanced, not too tight, not too like it did nothing, but you can tell it just gives my skin such a nice like glow. I'm obsessed with it. So I'm gonna go in with this. This is probably like one of my favorite products, and I think this is super important. So this is the TULA antioxidant water. First of all, it smells like you're in a spa. It feels so refreshing, but it also helps against pollution and blue light, which I mean, that's hello my life. So for my eyes, I've been loving this. They just launched this. I know they're super famous for their like blue cooling one, but I honestly love this. It's thicker. It really feels like a balm, and I think I love that for me. I hate dry under eyes. So this is their 24/7 Power Swipe Hydrating Night and Day Balm, and that's exactly what it is. So you just roll it up. How convenient is that? And I just kind of give it a little like sit on my skin and then wriggle it around so it doesn't tug. All right, and then this is the most, okay, this isn't the most important part, but it's a very important part, vitamin C. You want to make sure you're using a vitamin C, especially if you're going outside. You're gonna be exposed to any sunlight. It's just, you're dealing with dark spots, age spots, whatever, vitamin C. You guys know I love vitamin C serum. I always incorporate it into my routine. This one feels nice. It doesn't feel sticky. It just glides on and soaks in really quickly. Okay, and then last but not least, obviously the most important step to finishing your skincare, I'm gonna be putting on the TULA Mineral Magic sunscreen. I love this, it's SPF 30. What I really love about it is it's like really lightweight, so I don't feel like I have a lot on my face. So I'm gonna shake that up so you activate it, make sure everything's incorporated. You don't need a ton. But it's very like liquidy, and I love that because it just blends in super quick. It does look like it has like a tint to it, but it really doesn't. One thing I absolutely love about this is it's so lightweight that you can layer it. So I feel like that's really important. Let's say, like after I'm done running all my errands today, I'm gonna wanna go for a walk, and in 2 hours, your SPF really just kind of loses its its effectiveness, so you need to reapply. Just like, look how glowy. Alright, so I will link all the products that I mentioned, like I do in every video, down in the description box so it's easy for you to shop if you are interested in anything. I do have a special coupon code for you guys. It's 15% off, so I'll leave it here on the screen as well as linked down below. So 15% off your purchase at TULA, whether you would like to try the same products that I mentioned or anything on their website. I do have a fun little thing that I'm going to share with you guys later. Clearly I'm going to the gym, so I'm not putting on lip gloss, but I will be sharing with you guys these a little bit later in the day. They're their Lip SOS, and these are really good. You guys know I've been really into my lip balms lately, so let's get on with the rest of our day. Just grabbed some basic stuff at the grocery store. If you're interested to see what my weekly grocery hauls look like, I will link some down below, as well as like the playlist of all of my Trader Joe's grocery hauls. I have a whole playlist on my channel of everything that I do and get normally, and this is a very similar one. So I'm just gonna breeze through kind of some things that I got and show you. So this is new. I've not tried this before. This is the chicken thighs, the shawarma. I thought we would grill this tonight with some rice and some green beans. I decided to get some low-fat cottage cheese because I've been getting fat-free and I feel like I need fat in my diet, obviously healthy fats, to kind of keep me fuller longer. I used to get this all the time. It's the baked sriracha tofu. I love this, pan-searing it, putting it with rice, avocado, cucumbers, doing like kind of a poke-esque bowl. Bunch of bananas because we eat smoothies all the time. Arlo loves them as well. Grabbed this fresh Atlantic salmon, looked good. This is my favorite to go on like sandwiches for like a spread. I grabbed bagels earlier, so I grabbed some other cream cheese to go with it, some oil because Scott's gonna make some garlic oil, rolled oats, pasta. These little crackers are for Arlo. I got some sweet potatoes, some onions, some Honeycrisp apples because it is apple season now. Some yogurt, we use this in place of mayo, sour cream, also in smoothies, some tomatoes. They still don't have my normal seaweed, so I grabbed this. Avocados, butternut squash, some salsa because we have some tortilla chips in the pantry. These are just quick and easy for Arlo. They're an apple carrot. I was able to grab the pumpkin body butter, grabbed a thing of that. These I've heard amazing things about. Haven't tried. They're the chili lime chicken burger. I thought these would be good for like a lunch option. Some shredded kale, cheese, ground turkey back there, some romaine hearts, a bunch of zucchini. I forgot my little reusable bags. These refried beans I love. Pasta sauce just to have. Broccolini, cauliflower. My favorite fried rice, the Japanese one. Baby cucumbers, blueberries. Some of this, we had this before and it was really good. It's a spicy pumpkin curry sauce, and I was able to find the autumn soup as well, so I grabbed that. Lots of turkey, smoked turkey breast. This is my favorite quick lunch. Awesome source of protein. Some haricot vert green beans, some cremini mushrooms, a new coffee that launched. This is the Indonesian Bali one, and it is a medium roast with notes of orange peel, vanilla, and dried fruit. Sounded delicious. And red bell peppers. So that is everything for this week's grocery haul. quick like 10-minute makeup look, nothing crazy. I just wanted to put myself together a bit for the day. I always feel like even if it's later in the afternoon, I feel more productive if I do. But I wanted to share with you guys the new lip treatment gloss balms from TULA. I have 3 shades, which I think they only have 3. You can buy them individual, but you can also buy them in a kit. It comes in Strawberry Flush, Blackberry Velvet, and Blushing Lemonade. Blushing Lemonade is like my favorite every day. I feel like the Blackberry Velvet is gonna be great for fall. And then the Strawberry Flush is more of like a red tone, which I'll wear like, I don't know, out and about or whatever. But this one has been my favorite go-to like everyday sort of look. These have fruit oils in them and peptides for plumping, so they're not just a gloss, they're also like skincare in a gloss, which I love. They also have their probiotic extracts like they do in all of their products. So I'm gonna show you this guy. It has like a little rubber tip to it. About it is it feels thick, but like so smooth because of that fruit oils. It is peptide, so it is plumping, but it's not one of those like tingly, like your lips are gonna fall off sort of like tingle plumping situation. So I love these, you can tell. So pretty. So I'll swatch the other colors just so you can see. I've tried them on. There's the this is the Strawberry Flush, and then the Blackberry. And obviously I like built them up a little bit, so you can definitely sheer them out if you're not like a huge, like just want like a flush of color. But if you're looking for like a good go-to like everyday sort of gloss color, the Blushing Lemonade is my favorite. So yeah, again, you can use 15% off my code. I will link it right here as well as down below to save 15% off of these or any other of the TULA products that I mentioned in this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video and this style of video. If you did, let me know, like I said, by giving this video a big thumbs up. If you want to see more to-do lists, productive days in my life, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed, found a little bit of motivation from this, and found out like how my system is with organizing things to get everything done in my day. So hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys.